right, I'm standing here with Todd and Dave, so father-son, right?
Yep, right.
And then this is your 73 Ford F-250, and was this your truck or his truck?
No, I bought it probably 40 years ago.
And the idea was you guys are rebuilding it for the grandson, right?
Yep.
So these guys called me, and I think it was actually you that called me about 3 years ago, and they said, we got this old 73, we want to kind of make it a little newer, make it a little more comfortable, and rebuild it. And I pointed them in the direction of find a 78 or 79 F-250, late model 77, take all the stuff, put it in here, and you'll have the good brakes, you'll have the married transfer case, you have the gas tank in the back, all that stuff. That's what you guys did, right?
Exactly. Absolutely.
Well, why don't you show us the truck here? So what's under the hood of this thing?
It's a 428. It's been in there for quite a few years, huh? Yeah, I put it in right after I bought it. It was about 7 years old when I bought it.
So it's a 428. You guys went back through the motor then.
Been rebuilt, all tricked out.
And then you added Fitech injection.
That's new.
Headers. The power brakes are off of that 77 that you bought?
Yes, brakes been changed. The wiring harness has been changed.
Got air conditioning on here.
All aftermarket air conditioning, works like a charm.
And then from the donor truck, you got rid of the divorce transmission and you went with this would be a 435, right? MP 435 married to a 205?
Yes.
Yeah.
And we gained the dual caliper disc brakes.
And then what happened underneath here, which is cool, and here we'll look in this wheel well. So this is that 78, 79 high pinion 44. And then they added the steering box in here, and you can see it's really clean. Didn't have to cut much, tucked it way in. So it's got power steering. And then that's that high pinion 44 with dual piston caliper disc brakes put into this truck. So you took the front axle, the rear axle, the transmission, the transfer case, the cross member, the drive lines, steering box, gas tank, everything out of it.
Dashboard.
You know?
It's been.
Oh, you put the dash in too, huh?
That's all been taken out.
All right, so even the dash and interior is updated. Oh, that's nice. The AC vents are right in the dash, huh?
Yeah. We kind of made it hidden using a stock.
Yeah, that looks killer. The color's cool too. What color is this?
I have it's the stock color it came with. It was sort of a hard deal to get. It's close to what it came with.
And then
stock.
Grandpa's the one who did all the priming, sanding, blocking.
He painted the whole thing himself.
Yep.
About 4 months.
And you did, and you even did the camper shell too.
Absolutely, yeah.
So you sanded all the fiberglass smooth and.
Block sanded everything.
Yep.
Yep. Filler primer.
I mean, everything down to this back bumper is so period correct on this truck.
We tried to keep it that way.
Like, look at that. Look at this bumper. Chrome, diamond plate. So this will have the Dana 60 in the rear, and being that it's out of the 77, it's 30 spline instead of the old 19 spline.
Right.
And obviously the 205 transfer case, much better than that divorce where everything vibrates and shakes.
You dump the clutch and things start knocking.
So are you guys happy with how it came out?
I'm super happy personally. Nothing but compliments so far.
That's going to be one spoiled grandkid.
He's spoiled,
that's
the part that I'm worried about. He's a good kid though. Causes me zero problems, so that's why it's kind of happening.
Well, I'm glad to see it stayed in the family. It's a gorgeous truck, and
thank you.
Even down to the wheels. What, do you know what brand these wheels are?
Man, he does.
So 17-inch with the kidney bean slotted mag look. So that's the old school look with the new school size.
Yeah, U101.
Yeah, cool.
Not
well,
sure.
Doesn't matter. Thanks for bringing it by. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys.
You bet.